What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So I'm jumping right into this eyeshadow look. So first I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow base. You can use any base that you have. I like to use concealer, and the concealer that I'm using today is L'Oreal Fit Me Concealer and NYX HD Concealer, and I'm putting this all over my lid. And I lined my eye with tape. You guys did not have to use tape, but I wanted this look to have precision, and so I just took me a piece of tape and just made sure I lined it up. And I took this makeup sponge and I just blended it out. You guys can use a brush as well if you don't have any sponges. Either thing is fine to blend out the concealer. Now make sure to blend this concealer close to the concealer that I concealed my eyebrows with. And the first shade I like to take is this cream color. I like to mix shades together to give me the perfect shade. I don't like my eyebrow bone area to be too light, but I like it light enough that it's just not competing against the makeup look. I'm going to be taking this small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this green shade here. You can use any green that you do have. Make sure it's similar to this one, and everything that I use down below, everything I use will be down below, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to take my brush and concentrate this color in my inner corner and my outer corner, and I make sure that I am going to blend this color up. I want to create a halo today. And I haven't done a halo in so freaking long, because every time I try to do them, they don't come out the way I want them to, but this came out perfect. And so I just want to start in the corner first and deepen up the corners first, and I want to start connecting them together. And I'm going back and forth with my brush and dipping it in the shadow to deepen up this color, because I want the most pigment color I can get. And to blend it out, I'm gonna be taking this light green color here to blend out the harsh line of the darker green, and bring in some more green. It's an all green look, you guys. And I just take a bigger blending brush and just blend that color in. And I want to build up this color as well. And then I go back in with that smaller blending brush that I applied the darker green, and I just want to add a little bit more of that color. I do not want to lose this green color at all, but I do want it to look blended. And so I'm going to take a different smaller brush, and I'm going to take some black, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the green, but I'm going to go right under that color, and I'm going to be packing this color in as well. I start with the outer corner and inner corner, and I'm going to blend this in carefully because I am using black. And when I get the color payoff that I want, I'm going to start connecting the two corners together to give me my halo. And again, you guys, make sure you are being really careful with this black. If you have a dark green, this will be perfect, but I don't have a darker green, so I just use black to give me that depth that I wanted. And so I just go back with that same blending brush that I used to apply the green to blend out the black and make sure it's really blended in. And when I get the color that I want, I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm going to take a small detail brush. And I'm making sure I'm being really careful with carving out the center of my lid. And I just want to bring the product down and making sure it's blended in. So the first shade I like to take is I go back in with the black to deepen up the black a little bit more. So I just like to go next with the green that I applied in my crease first. And I just want to add a small bit of this connected to the black because I want to create a nice gradient halo. And then I'm going to be taking this light limey green color, and I'm going to pop this right on my lid. And I want to make sure I blend that in with that darker green, and make sure I'm bringing it up to the top of the crease. It was a little difficult, but make sure you do that. And you guys, to enhance that green a little bit more, I'm going in with this yellow shade. It was the perfect shade to add on top of it to pop this green a little bit more. And this is my eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of liner and lashes. So for under my eyes, I go back in with the same concealer and I'm going to smudge this out under my lash line. And I want to make sure I blend that out. And so the first shade I want to take is the dark green color that I applied in my crease first, and I just want to add it. I want to also make a halo under there as well. And so I just do the same thing. I add the green on each side, and to deepen up that, I go in with the black on each side, and in the center I add the light green and the yellow. And you guys, I did add black eyeliner in my waterline to deepen up the eye at the bottom. And in the inner corner, I take some more concealer. I take this gold shade here. And I add a little bit of that in the center of the green to enhance the color a little bit more to make it pop. So you guys, for my lips, I take a brown liner. I absolutely have to have a brown liner to line my lips, to define my lips. And I just want to keep the lips very pink and neutral. I didn't want to add extra to compete with the eyes. So I just go in with this nude color. I forgot what color brand this was. I will put it down in the description box below. And then I add some L'Oreal lipstick on top of that. I wanted everything to be light, and I apply lip liner a little bit more, and then I added gloss. Y'all, this is the completed look. I hope you guys love this look as much as I did. I had so much fun creating this all green halo look. It was so much fun and I love it. And you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it. And you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. For sure, you guys will love to watch these videos. So you guys make sure you check these videos out.